Sayuti Malik was born in Kadisobo, Rajodani, Sleman, Yogyakarta in 25 November 1908 and died in Jakarta March 2, 1989. His father was named Abdul Muin alias Parto Prawito, while his mother was Sunila. Education starts from Ongko Loro School in Srawolan village up to grade 4 and continues to get a diploma in Yogyakarta. In 1920 till 1924, Sayuti Malik continued his education in Guru School. There he studied the nationalism of his stats history teacher, S.A. Zering. In his teenage years, he was interested to read the magazine Moving Islam it Kiai Haji Misbah in Kauman Solo left-leaning scholars. At that time, many people, including Islamic figures, viewed Marxism as an ideology of struggle against colonialism. From Kiai Misbah, he learned Marxism. His first introduction to Bung Karno took place in Bandung in 1926. In 1926, he was arrested by the Dutch for allegedly assisting the PKI and subsequently exiled to Bovendigul, 1927 till 1933. In 1936, the British captured, imprisoned in Singapore for a year. After being expelled from the British territory, they captured by the Dutch and taken to Jakarta. The cells were inserted in the Central Gang, 1937 till 1938. Later, in 1939 till 1941, imprisoned in Sukamiskin, Bandung and involved first delete. When Japan entered Indonesia in 1942, he was imprisoned again for allegedly spreading the PKI's illegal pamphlet. Finally, ahead of Indonesia Independence Proclamation, he was freed. He became a member of the PKI Auxiliary and participated in the formulation of the proclamation manuscript. Bung Karno's proclamation text, written by Sayuti Malik with some word change. After independence, Sayuti Malik became a member of the Central Indonesia National Committee (KNIP). In 1946, at the order of Mr. Abis Syarifuddin, he was arrested by the government of Indonesia for being regarded as a Persatuan Perjuangan, close associate, and was conspired to participate in the July 3, 1946 incident. But after being examined by the Army Tribunal, he was found not guilty. When Dutch military aggression II occurred, he was arrested by the Dutch and imprisoned in Ambarawa. Upon completion of the KMB, he was released. In 1950, he was elected to the MPRS and DPR-GR as representative of the Army of 45 and became vice chief. In 1961, he received the Mahaputra Bintang 5. As a newspaper columnist, he tried to write an article entitled Learning to Understand Suwarnoism. The serialized article explains the differences in Marxism of Bung Karno's teachings and Marxism-Leninism of the PKI doctrine. At that time, Sayuti saw the PKI was about to write the Charism of Bung Karno. Finally, in 1965, he was arrested and examined by the AGO. In the New Order era, Sayuti Malik was elected to the MPR and DPR 1971 till 1977 as representative of the working group. On March 11, 1984, he was awarded as Pini Sepuh Pahlawan Karya, and previously he has received the Mark of Appreciation, among others. On 19 May 1973, Mark of Bintang Mahaputra Adi Pradana II from President Suharto. 1977, chartered in journalistic field of the Indonesia Journalists Association (PWI), dated December 23, 1982, was awarded Satya Penegak Pers from PWI Pusat. His visits abroad are mostly done while performing the task of journalism, including Western Europe, Eastern Europe, the United States.